Hey Jason, do you find there's a lot of young patients coming for nose treatments?
What do you think about this Korean actor?
Of course, so handsome.
Most of our clients actually want a nose like hers.
Hello, I'm Dr. Celine.
Hi, I'm Dr. Jason.
Today we would like to discuss some things that's very important on the face about facial features. Guess what?
Nose!
Yes! In general, Asians have broad and rounded teeth, a flat bridge and wider nasal base.
But actually, right, I noticed that most of our clients, they actually prefer a higher nasal bridge with a more pointy tip as well as a more slender nose.
For surgical approach, it can be rhinoplasty.
For non-surgical approach, we can put in fillers as well as by threads.
Nose thread and filler, right, is a fast and effective procedure with minimal downtime.
And it is very quick and less risk as compared to rhinoplasty.
Correct. Usually post-procedure, there will be some bruising and swelling.
For rarer cases, infection might occur. Even rarer cases will cause some vascular occlusion, which will lead to skin necrosis. Just recently, there's a client of ours who came in with a dislodged nose thread. She claims to have done this at a beauty salon.
I see. Even though the procedure is very simple, seems to be, right? You just put in the thread, but it's very important on the doctor's skill and the thread that the doctors use.
As well as if you come to a qualified doctor, we know how to manage all these kinds of complications so that you wouldn't get more serious.
Correct.
So Dr. Celine, what do you think about this Korean actor?
Of course, so handsome. So you can see on the pictures, right? The nose is 1/3 of the whole face and the nose height is similar to the upper face and lower face height, which is very proportionate lah. And then you can see also he has a very high nose bridge and then very narrow nostril. In fact, in some cases in the clinic, right, they would like to make the nostril narrow. We can inject Botox on that. So the ideal nose tip and the nose base to be at the 90-degree for men. Also a very pointy nose tip.
I give this picture to you, you can sleep with him tonight. Her nose is basically, most of our clients actually want a nose like hers. First of all, she has a very high nasal bridge, which is the goal for every Asian girl currently. So why is she the goal? Why is her nose the goal? Well, basically, her height of the nose is exactly 1/3 of her face. Other than that, her nostrils is perfect. One more thing, she has a very pointed nose, which is kind of cute in Asian girls.
So the ideal nose should be proportionate to the rest of the face. So what about you?
For me personally, I would prefer a higher nose bridge, but of course it has to be proportionate as well. So not to say that your nose is very high, then the rest of your face is like very short. That would be very weird and ugly.
Doesn't mean that the higher the better.
As a summary, the ideal nose for you might be different from other people. It also depends on your other facial features. So what I would recommend is that you seek professional doctor whereby he can actually consult you properly.
Okay, I think that's all for today. I hope you guys find the video informative and you do gain some knowledge about nose enhancement treatment and the beauty perspective of Asian.
See you next session.
Bye!
Bye.